In a world where dreams take flight, underneath the moon's soft light, lived the stars, both big and small, twinkling dancing, they enthralled. In the vast celestial sea, stars shone with such ecstasy. Some were near, others afar, all were part of the night's memoir. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Oh, the moon, so bright and round, in the night sky it's found, casting silvery beams below on the earth a gentle glow. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon. In these rhymes we find delight, a world of dreams within the night. Stars that twinkle, the moon's soft glow, a cow that jumps, stories that flow. These tales that tickle the mind speak of a world that's kind, where stars can be diamonds, cows can fly, all under the moon's watchful eye. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, and hey diddle diddle, rhymes that solve life's riddle. They teach us to dream, to wonder, to play, to make each moment a magical day. So when you gaze at the night sky, with the stars twinkling high, remember the rhymes, the tales they tell, in your heart let them dwell. For in every rhyme, in every verse, lies a universe diverse. With dreams to dream, tales to spin, open your heart, let the magic in. The magic of rhymes, the magic of night under the moon's gentle light. Where stars twinkle and cows can leap, in your dreams these memories keep. As we close this story's page, remember, no matter your age, in rhymes and dreams, there's always a way to make magic out of every day.